Hey guys, Caitlin here with Photobella.com. Today I'll be showing you how to put together the layout you'll receive in the December Basic Gray Monthly Kit. Here's the finished layout called All of Us Together Making Memories. In your kit, you'll receive all the paper, stickers, and embellishments you'll need for this layout, plus plenty of extra for other layouts. To put this layout together with me, you'll also need a few other supplies. You'll need a paper trimmer, your favorite adhesive, dimensional adhesive if you'd choose, a ruler and a pencil, a journaling pen for your journaling, scissors, a 2.5 and a 3-inch circle punch, and of course your photos. Alright, so gather your supplies and let's get started. Alright, so we'll be using our 2 sheets of elegant paper as the layout base. And then next you're going to trim 4 6-inch by 4-inch blocks of the tuxedo paper on the gray side. So you'll have 4 of those. Okay, so you're going to mat all of your 4 6-inch by 4-inch photos onto those mats, and then you're just going to set those aside for now. We'll come back to them in just a little bit. Okay, next you're going to trim 2 11-inch by 11-inch blocks of the Drama Mod paper on the cream side. Right there. Okay, and don't adhere those down quite yet. And then you're going to position. Okay, so you're going to take your first 4 by 6 photo and you're just going to position it so you know where to punch your holes. And that's going to be a 1/4 inch down from the top of the cream paper and a 1/4 inch over from the right of the cream paper. And then you're going to take your second one and position that 1/4 inch below the first one. And then you're going to punch a partial circle from the cream paper about 3.5 inches from the top along the left side. So the easiest way to do that is to use a 3-inch circle punch. Okay, so you'll end up with a semicircle out of this sheet like that. Okay, and then also you're going to punch a partial circle just like you did with that one, about 2.25 inches in from the right side along the bottom underneath these photos. That's why we position those there so we know where exactly to put it. Okay, so on this left cream paper you'll have 2 circles cut out just like those. Okay, so next you're just gonna take these photos off and adhere this cream block down on this left page, and you're gonna adhere that flush with the center and also flush with the top. Alright, so once you have that down, we're going to do the same thing on this sheet of paper. You're going to put your photos where you plan to have them on the page, and then we're just going to cut 1 semicircle about 6 inches from the top along the right side, so about down close to the bottom of the page. And after you have your photos positioned, that way you'll know where you'd like to put your circle. Alright, so there we have our semicircle there, and then we're just going to adhere this sheet down flush with the center and the top of the sheet. Okay, next you're going to take the black and white paper on the polka dot side, and you're going to punch 3 2.5-inch circles from that paper. Alright, so there we have our 3 black and white 2.5-inch circles. And you're just going to adhere those inside these punched circles on the cream paper, just inside there, like that. And just adhere all 3 of those down. Alright, and once you have those adhered, we're going to trim a 1-inch by 8.5-inch strip of the etiquette paper on the striped side, and you're going to cut it against the grain so there's more stripes. And then you're just going to cut a V out of it so that it looks like a flag, just like that. And then you're going to trim a 1/2 inch by 6 3/4 inch strip of the etiquette on the white side. like that, and you're also going to cut a V in that and then one end of it. And finally, you're going to trim a 1 inch by 7 3/4 inch strip of the tuxedo on the gray side, and you're going to also cut a V out of that one end of that. And then you're going to layer those 3 strips together. And you're going to adhere that along the top edge of the right page about 3.5 inches from the right side. Alright, after you have those adhered, you're going to find the You're the Best sticker on your sticker sheet right here. And add that to your page just next to those as shown right here. Alright, now you're going to trim a 3/4 inch by 4.5 inch strip of the etiquette paper on the white side, and then you're going to trim a V out of one end like we did before. And also you're going to trim a 1/2 inch by 3.5 inch strip of the tuxedo, right like this, and you're also going to trim a V. And then you're going to layer those together and adhere those along the top of the left page, about right there. Alright, after you've got those down, you're going to trim a 2 inch by 4 inch block of the black and white paper on the polka dot side. And then you're also going to trim a 1 3/4 inch by 3 3/4 inch block of the etiquette paper on the striped side. You're going to center that one on top and adhere those together like that. Okay, and once you have that, you're going to locate the 2 gray flower brads in your pack, and you're going to adhere both of those and on your flower pack, and you're going to put both of those onto the left side of that block. Right, so that'll look like that. Then you're going to add the Happier and Happier Each Day sticker from the sticker sheet. You're going to add that to this block here, just like that. Then you're going to mount this block to the top left on the left page, just as shown here, making sure to leave enough space for your photos. Right, just like that. See there. Next, you're going to trim just a variety of random scraps of your papers left over from all the cutting that you've done. Just any variety of papers. You're just going to take these papers and randomly layer them, and you're going to put them to the lower left corner of the bottom mat that'll go on your left page, and also under the lower right corner of the mat on your right page. All right, and you'll want to adhere the scraps under those photos and adhere your photos all at once. Alright, so that is what that will look like with all of the photos down with the scraps underneath these 2 here. Alright, next you're going to add the I Hope Each and Every Day sticker down here at the bottom on the sticker sheet. And you're just going to add that centered between these 2 photos here. Just like that. Alright, next you're going to take the stickers from the sticker sheet, the Happiness Is one, the Too Cute for Words, So Special to Me, and also the Absolutely Fabulous. And you're going to mount those on the tuxedo paper, leaving a little bit of a border around them. Just cut those out. just like that. Okay, and then you're just going to set all those aside for right now. Alright, next you're going to get the tissue flowers, and you're going to get 3 of them for each 3 of these circles here. And you're just going to flatten them a bit. And you're going to add the metal flower buttons. These metal flower buttons to the center of those, and then adhere those down to each of those circles. Alright, so those are down on the circles there, just like that. And then once you have those down, you're going to take these stickers that you mounted earlier, and you're just going to put those with the flowers however you think that they would look the best. Alright, next you're going to add our title. So first you're going to want to trim the together out of this sticker here. And then you're going to put that down and create the rest of your title with the alpha and number stickers, just right here. Alright, and to finish off the title with the memories, you're going to just trim that out of this sticker on your sticker sheet right there. And then just place that underneath the rest of your title. Okay, and next adhere the lovely sticker from the sticker sheet to this photo here, just to the top of it. And finally, you're going to take the corner stickers from the sticker sheet, and you're just going to add those to the corners on the cream paper to finish off your layout. Okay, and you can add any journaling right here to this side of your layout, or any other embellishments that you'd like to your page to finish off your double page layout. Okay, so there we have our finished double page layout made from the December Basic Gray Monthly Kit called All of Us Together Making Memories. You can find this great kit as well as so much more at photobella.com. Thanks for watching!